Hey guys, we saw that many of you are interested in Indian recipes, so we thought we would cook some chana masala, which is a chickpea curry. For this recipe, you need chickpeas of course. If you have dehydrated chickpeas, then you need to rehydrate them. Just simply let them sit in water overnight. For the next step, we need to boil them. It takes roughly 1 hour. Just add them to a pot along with the water and season them with salt. While the chickpeas are cooking, we prepare the rest of the ingredients. We start by cleaning and dicing a white onion. If you are looking for the exact amounts, let us know in the comments below. We do the same with the garlic. We then proceed to clean and grate a good amount of ginger. For extra flavor, we finely chop some fresh coriander or cilantro. We add some butter in a hot cast iron pan. Next, we add some bay leaves and a few cardamom seeds. We let them sear so they release their flavor. We then proceed by adding the chopped onions along with the garlic. We sear them until translucent. Next, we add some garam masala, turmeric, and salt. We give it a good stir, and we add some hot chili paste for extra heat. We continue by adding the grated ginger, and we let it cook for a minute. Our spicy base looks good, so we add some peeled tomatoes, half a cup of water and some salt. We cook it for a few minutes and then we add the cooked chickpeas to our base. As a last touch, we add the chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lemon. We stir them in and we are done. It is a delicious spicy recipe which will blow your taste buds. You can eat it with whatever type of bread you like. It will not disappoint. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, if you like our content, feel free to subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to us. Stay safe and see you on the next one.